Today we are talking about 3 key lessons that I have learned from selling on Amazon for 15 years. Let's get into it. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Farah and I am an Amazon seller and vendor, and I talk about selling on Amazon, Amazon advertising, product research, and everything that comes with it, because it's been my world for such a long time. So I got this comment on my channel from Eddie123 UK, and I want to say, have some faith, all right? I've been selling on Amazon for 15 years. It doesn't, just because I'm adjusting my approach strategically, it doesn't erase my experience, okay? And this is the Amazon way to become efficient when your business is in a tight spot. This is Amazon's way, okay? So moving on from that, let's talk about the 3 key lessons that I've learned by being in this business for as long as I have. So one of the first things that you must understand about Amazon is that, you know, when people are shopping on Amazon and they just open the app, usually it's to look for a cheaper alternative to a famous brand that they want to purchase, or they're looking for a deal, or they're looking, okay, let me just check what's the price on Amazon before I actually purchase this on another site or in the shop. And that's the reason private label was born, and that's what we do. I have experienced this personally in my business, and so let me give you an example of that. So let's say you go to a health shop like Holland and Barrett's. Okay, so you walk into that shop and you see some supplements, and you pick one up and you say, okay, it's about £20 or £15 here for one bottle of 60 capsules. Okay, let me check if there's same thing available on Amazon, and maybe I can get it for cheaper, because it's just something that I want to try and I don't want to spend that much, and it's just Holland and Barrett's private label. So let me just check. So that's how a lot of people end up on Amazon when they're shopping, and that's what we sellers do. We create options that are either as attractive as what you'll find in the shop, or they're cheaper alternatives. So that's why a lot of people are shopping private label on Amazon, and a lot of products keep coming in. And they're so trend driven, because as soon as a search volume goes up for a certain keyword, that a lot of people are looking for such or such brand, or you know, let's say there is a big craze about apple cider vinegar gummies, right? Everybody wants to try that for weight loss. Now there is suddenly demand for this, and brands are popping up and they're meeting that demand on Amazon, in health shops, in you know, local Tesco, who knows. So, you know, it's demand driven, and the demand and search volume comes on Amazon, and that's why private label serves that. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have noticed this, but I find, like, when I'm in a local Tesco or something, I can never open my Amazon app, or it just doesn't work. It just doesn't load. My internet's working fine, but the Amazon app doesn't load. And so I think the shops are getting smart about this, because people do search. Like, if you're doing it, you can be pretty sure about that other people are doing it too. Anyway, let's move to number 2. If you run an Amazon private label business, you will notice that Amazon Marketplace might be your number 1 source of cash flow and revenue for most of your products, and it might be the least profitable because of the advertising costs and higher FBA fees associated to it. Which leads me to number 3, which is advertising on Amazon is not optional. Okay, like, you cannot drive your revenue higher without running ads. It's just a fact now. Because I have experimented in my own business by shutting down ads, by slowing them down, restarting them, you know, high season, low season, all of that. I've done that, you know, I've made my business a guinea pig and experimented all of that. Watch the rankings go really low and come back up as soon as you turn the ads on again. So this is something that, you know, sellers have to deal with, and it's not easy to deal with, because it's a constant, you know, pressure on your profitability, and the cost of advertising changes every month. And the more the sellers come in, the more competition, similar products, cheaper products, come in, cheaper alternatives to your private label come in, because that's going to happen. It creates increased pressure, on your business to stay profitable, to maintain rank and all of that. So the whole cost of doing the Amazon business is not what it used to be. Okay, so that's what I see in this business, and that's what my own business is struggling with, that this pressure of a higher advertising cost, a higher FBA fees, and the products are pretty much what they used to be always. Like, we need new innovative products. In my business, and in maybe your business too, you're experiencing the same pain as I am. But to bring new products to the market, you need new source of funding them, right? And the profitability in the business is not there to fund those new products. And so I think sellers have to come up with new ways of how they're going to fund the business. Maybe, like there are funding options, but I don't really feel great about like taking a loan out to fund a new product, which how risky the marketplace is right now, and how competitive it is. So anyway, this is my 2 bits about running an Amazon business and what I have learned over the years. And that's why I am moving towards, introducing products that are, not as easily copyable, for example, in supplements and, food products. Food products even more than supplements. There's a lot of innovation happening there. A lot of new trends are coming in. So make sure you guys check out the videos on my channel. I've done quite a few of them around these 2 niches. Check them out. If you like an idea, send me an email on hello@farahfinds.com. I would love to get you started on that. But yeah, that's all for today's video, and I will see you guys in another one next time. Bye bye.